Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, and ClickBank is a platform that connects digital product sellers with affiliate marketers. Here are some tips on how to make money with affiliate marketing in ClickBank. Step 1. You need to join ClickBank as an affiliate. It's free to join ClickBank as an affiliate marketer, and there's no screening process. Once you sign up, you can start marketing the links and driving traffic to as many products as you'd like immediately. To make money with ClickBank, you need to choose the right products to promote. Do your niche research and drill down into the products offered in your niche. Look for products that interest you the most and have high gravity scores. Once you find the right products, Step 2, you need to create a landing page. Go to Durable to create a landing page. Now that you have your affiliate link for the product you want to promote, it's time to get some eyes on it. And to do that, we're gonna create a landing page. So Durable is this awesome AI tool that can whip up a super professional landing page in just a matter of seconds. Now let me tell you, this tool is a game changer when it comes to getting your business online. With just a couple of clicks, you'll have a fully designed website with catchy copy, stunning images, and even a fancy contact form, all ready to go in under a minute. It's quick, it's easy, and you don't need to know any fancy code stuff. So head over to durable.co and then click on that Generate Your Website button. Just hit Get Started, and it'll ask you for your business type, which would be golf. Click Next, and then add your business name, which in this case would be Rain or Shine Golf. Click Next once again, and boom, in a matter of seconds, your whole website done. The last step is getting traffic to your landing page. Before going to the trick, I want to share with you. Here are some options you need to consider in promoting your business. Utilize SEO strategies. Search engine optimization is crucial for driving organic traffic to your affiliate marketing website or blog. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords and incorporate them into your content, meta tags, and headings. Build quality backlinks from reputable websites to improve your search engine rankings. Leverage social media. Social media platforms offer a vast audience for promoting ClickBank products. Create engaging and shareable content related to the products you are promoting. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to build a following, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Consider running targeted ads to reach a wider audience. Engage in email marketing. Building an email list is a powerful way to nurture relationships with potential customers and promote ClickBank products. Offer a valuable lead magnet, such as an ebook or a video series, in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Send regular newsletters or automated email sequences that provide valuable content and include affiliate links strategically. Create product reviews and comparisons. Product reviews and comparisons are highly effective at influencing purchasing decisions. Write in-depth and honest reviews of the ClickBank products you are promoting, highlighting their features, benefits, and drawbacks. Include your affiliate links within the reviews, making it easy for readers to make a purchase. Pay attention to this step, because without visitors you will make any sales or earn any commissions. This is where Propeller Ads comes in handy. Propeller Ads is a website that lets you advertise your landing page to a broader audience for free. By using Propeller Ads, you can attract more visitors and drive more traffic to your landing page. First things first, you gotta sign up for an account with Propeller Ads. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to create your ad campaign. Now here's the secret to successful ads: targeting options. You want to make sure your ads reach the right people who are most likely to be interested in your product, so pick the targeting options that fit your product and target audience. This way, you'll be showing your ads to the right people, increasing your chances of making those sweet commissions. When it comes to ad formats, Propeller Ads has got your back with a bunch of options. You got banner ads, pop-under ads, push notifications, you name it. Feel free to experiment and try different formats to see what works best for your product and audience. More traffic to your landing page means more chances of making those sales and earning those commissions. Now let's talk about creating an ad. Video is going to be your best friend here. It's a tool that makes creating professional-looking ads a breeze. First, pick a template that matches your product style and tone. Then go ahead and customize it to make it your own. Add your catchy text, awesome images, or even cool videos. And don't forget to play around with colors and fonts to make it all shine with your branding. To make your ad stand out, you've got to make it engaging and eye-catching. Think bold headlines and striking images that'll make people engage. Hopefully, this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. And I'll see you next time.